How to create a new channel in Slack. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Slack on your device. Then, on the left side, simply click on Channels. After you click on Channels in here, you'll find three dots beside Channels. Click on the three dots. After you click on the three dots, click on Create. Then click on Create Channel. After you've clicked on Create Channel, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Add name for your channel and then press on Next. After you've pressed on Next, make it public or private, select the one you prefer and press on Create. After you do that, channel will be created. And this is how to create a new channel in Slack. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.